In this video, you'll learn how you can update Facebook app to the latest version in 2026. Now, if you are an iPhone user, first of all, you'll have to head over to the App Store. Now, simply search for Facebook. Search. Now, open Facebook, and if it says update, you can simply tap on update to update it to the latest version. But in some cases, it might say open, and technically your app is already updated to the latest version, but you still don't have access to some features that you're looking for. So in that case, you'll have to head over to the settings of your iPhone. And if you are an Android user, you will have to head over to the settings and then app section, clear the cache of Facebook app and then uninstall it. And after that, you will have to reinstall it from the Google Play Store. But in case of an iPhone, you'll simply have to head over to the general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now you will be able to see the list of applications that have been installed on your iPhone. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way and look for Facebook. Now tap on it to open it. Now you'll have to tap on offload app. Basically, we are going to clear the cache for Facebook app so that all the files that are causing the issue can be deleted. It will not delete any of your personal data or anything like that. Simply tap on offload app. Now after some time, you'll be able to get an option of reinstall app. You will simply have to tap on it, and basically it will force update your app to the latest version, and you'll be able to get all the latest features of Facebook. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.